So here we can see there is the drainage pipeline and the AC is constantly leaking. Now again a drop fall down. You can see there is leaking. So we have to cut the ceiling and get to the AC, do the cleaning. Then this pipeline is full of water. As we can see, here was cut the original drain. Then I don't know who installed this one. Okay, they put the pump here in. This pump is draining, the AC is draining actually here in the tank and then goes on the evacuation there. This would be fine, but we have to check if this pump is working. Why? We can see here all is full of water, the pipe is sweating and leaking. So here we can see all the beautiful electrical works.